Hi guys, this is Ravi and you are listening to me on the Nifty BN channel. Today is Monday, 17th May 2021. Welcome to the latest episode of the Post Market Analysis series, where we would be analyzing the equity and derivatives data and try to assess the range and market positioning for the upcoming day. Want to meet like minded traders and discuss option strategies, adjustments, and more? Just type in Discuss Nifty in your Telegram search box and join the friendly trader community. The bulls made a strong comeback on Monday as the index formed a strong bullish candle on the daily chart. The Nifty 50 index climbed 245.35 points or 1.67% to close at 14,923.15. It witnessed an intraday movement of about 212.65 points. Now it has to close above its immediate hurdle, the falling trendline resistance formed by joining the recent lower tops for a move towards 15,050 and 15,200 levels. The benchmark index is now trading above all key moving averages that will act as support in case of any declines. On the lower side, if the 14,750 level is broken, 14,600 where the 20 DMA and 100 DMA lie in close vicinity to 14,400 are the supports which would ideally hold in the near time perspective. Now to data analysis. All the broad market indices ended in green, with Nifty Next 50 and Nifty Midcap 100 indices gaining 451.55 and 449 points respectively. Except for pharma and media, all other sectoral indices ended in the green, with Nifty Bank being the biggest gainer with a whopping 1289.7 points. IndusInd Bank, SBI, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, and Axis Bank were among the top gainers on the Nifty. All five stocks are from the banking sector. Top gainers on the Nifty Next 50 index included three Adani stocks, namely Adani Enterprises, Adani Green, and Adani Transmission. State Bank of India, SAIL, and Tata Motors were the most active securities by both value and volume. HFCL was the most active security by volume, and SBI was the most active security by value. Among individual stocks, a volume spike along with a price change of more than 15% was seen in Bang Overseas, Rane Engine Valve, Quick Hill Technologies, Nahar Polyfilms, Rane Madras, and Ebix Cash World Money India. A total of 125 stocks scaled their fresh 52-week highs on Monday, signaling bullish sentiment. On the other hand, 14 stocks hit their fresh 52-week lows. Out of the Nifty 500 stocks, 358 closed in the green, 137 in the red, while 6 remained unchanged. This indicates the domination of the bulls in the marketplace. HFCL, Shilpa Medicare, Balkrishna Industries, and Lakshmi Machine Works were the top gainers, gaining more than 10% each. While Sterling and Wilson Solar, Aarti Drugs, Jesdale, Bliss GVS Pharma, and Alkyl Chemicals were the top losers, falling more than 5%. PVR, HDFC, Maruti Suzuki India, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Tech Mahindra, TCS, ICICI Lombard GIC, HCL Tech, Infosys, and Pi Industries were among the F&O stocks that had more than 50% delivery volumes. A high delivery percentage suggests that investors are showing interest in these stocks. Now to the FII DII data analysis. Let's look at the cash market. Foreign institutional investors sold Indian stocks worth more than rupees 2255.84 crore, while domestic institutional investors bought shares worth more than rupees 1948.48 crore on May 17th, as per provisional data available on NSE. In fact, FIIs were net sellers in 8 out of the 10 trading sessions this month. On a month to date basis, the FIS net sold 10,969.1 crore worth of shares, while the DIS net bought rupees 2,839.68 crore worth of shares in the Indian equity market. Now let's look at the option chain of the May 20th weekly expiry. Let's start with Nifty. Maximum call open interest of 47,369 contracts was seen at 15,000 strike. This is followed by 15,500 strike, which holds 41,541 contracts, and 15,100 strike, which has accumulated 33,186 contracts. The call option of 15,200 strike price has witnessed fresh open interest addition of more than 4,628 contracts, and it holds cumulative open interest of 32,987 contracts. Maximum put OI of 56,747 contracts was seen at 14,700 strike. This is followed by 14,500 strike, which holds 38,397 contracts, and 14,000 strike, which has accumulated 38,303 contracts. The put option of 14,700 strike has witnessed fresh OI addition of more than 31,913 contracts, and it also holds maximum cumulative OI of 56,747 contracts. Maximum percentage change of open interest was seen at the 16,150 strike on the call side and at the 14,850 strike on the put side. In fact, fresh OI addition was seen in the 14,650 to 14,950 zone on the put side. So on any corrections, this zone becomes a good support now. It is now a buy on dips market. Now to Bank Nifty. Maximum call open interest of 38,416 contracts was seen at 35,000 strike. This is followed by 33,500 strike, which holds 35,565 contracts, and 34,500 strike, which has accumulated 32,357 contracts. The call option of 34,500 strike has witnessed fresh OI addition of more than 6,375 contracts, and it holds cumulative OI of 32,357 contracts. Maximum put OI of 62,240 contracts was seen at 31,000 strike. This is followed by 32,000 strike, which holds 54,888 contracts, and 33,000 strike, which has accumulated 50,761 contracts. The put option of 33,000 strike has witnessed fresh OI addition of more than 45,019 contracts, and it holds cumulative OI of 50,671 contracts. Maximum percentage change of OI was seen at 36,200 strike on the call side and at the 33,600 strike on the put side. In fact, fresh OI addition was seen at almost all the strikes on the put side. This scenario is in complete contrast to the one that was seen on Friday. This indicates that supports are moving higher. As many as 40 companies will come out with the results on Tuesday, with the prominent names being Tata Motors, Indian Oil Corporation, Torrent Pharma, and Aarti Industries. For May 18th, 6 stocks, namely BHEL, Cadila Healthcare, Canara Bank, Punjab National Bank, SAIL, and Sun TV are under the FNO ban period. India VIX fell 3.26% from 20.27 to 19.61. VIX cooling down from highs could give some stability to the market, but it needs to hold below the 20 level for the bullish grip to continue and the market to see a smoother move. If the Nifty 50 index manages to breach the falling trendline resistance and then the all important 15,050 level, then we can see fresh life highs in the coming sessions. Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. To find us on Twitter, Telegram, and Facebook, use the username NiftyBN. Also, we post some of our trades to the community tab, so do not forget to check that from time to time.